Meaning of down home.
Down home.
Down home.
Down home.
Down home. The term down home is an adjective commonly used to describe things that are simple, unsophisticated, and typical of rural or small-town America. It connotes a sense of warmth, familiarity, and nostalgia for a way of life that is traditional and down-to-earth. Foods, music, and cultural practices are often described as down home. The term can also be used to describe people who possess these same qualities, such as being friendly, hospitable, and unpretentious. Overall, down home is a positive and endearing descriptor that pays tribute to a simpler and more authentic way of life.